Hi dear Aquarius, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot. This is a general reading for all the Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind this is general. It might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed anytime, honey. The third thing, this is a reading from today till the 10th of November. So let's start. Your partner's current energy right now is Aquarius. Your partner's current energy right now is let's see. King of Swords. Not telling you exactly what they are feeling, not telling you exactly what they are going through, not telling you anything. Okay, so this person, your person, this person right now is behaving exactly opposite of what they are feeling, right? So it's like behaving cold, detached, off, and whatnot. Just not showing you the true feelings. Not able to show, might be, or not doing it deliberately. I don't know. But this person is not showing you truly what is happening with them, and they're trying their best to hide. Okay. Let me clarify the King of Swords in their current energy. Nine of Pentacles, the Death card, and the Temperance. Okay, could be dealing with the Scorpio here, could be dealing with the Sagittarius here. So this person is very slow to approach. Okay, this person is slowly feeling like the connection is ending. Okay, or there's something that is ending in their life. There is a restart, there's a rebirth that is happening in their life, and this person is right now trying their best not to lose their temper. Just be patient, just be calm down, just calm down and see what is happening. Okay, so this person right now is just switching off their emotional side. Okay, and they are just moving towards something more beneficial, you can say, or more helpful to them to balance their emotions. Okay, there's certain kind of ending happening. This person right now is going through major transformation. Your person right now is going through some kind of spiritual transformation, you can say, but their life is completely changing. Okay, let's see what's your current energy. What's your current energy? Let's see. Hierophant. This is Taurus energy. So Aquarius, what you're trying to do here is you are looking for commitment, you are looking for love, you are looking for long-term committed connection, you are looking for a spiritual connection. It could mean that you are connecting yourself to the divine, you are just working on your chakras, working on your spirituality, working on your energy, or it could simply mean that you are just waiting for the commitment part and the long-term committed relationship part in your life. Let me clarify this. Nine of Wands and the Ace of Swords and the Two of Swords. Okay, so you are very passionate about someone, you are very passionate about something or someone. You want to restart, a connection, or you want to give another chance to the past person or the same person that you were dealing with, but you're on the crossroads. No matter how hard you're trying to give them a chance or give them the energy that yes, I'm available and I want to restart, you are on the crossroads and not able to do that, and that's why you are just trying to tap into your spiritual energy, tap into your uh, you know into that kind of energy where you can seek answers from within, where you can get answers from within. This is what you're trying to do. This is your current energy. Okay, so the Hierophant is clarified by the Knight of Wands, this Ace of Swords and Two of Swords. This is mental conflict going on. You're trying your best to calm down and relax and tap into your spiritual side and see where it is going. Trying to listen to your intuition basically. Let's see what this person feels for you, their feelings for you. Let's see. Two of Cups, beautiful loving energy. They feel like you are their soulmate. They feel like you make them complete. They feel like you are the love of their life. Beautiful loving energy of Two of Cups. They feel like they are the feminine and you are the masculine, and they are like Beautiful energy of soulmate. This is what they feel for you. Let me clarify. The moon could be dealing with the Pisces, the lovers, the Gemini here, and the Seven of Wands. This person is very, very scared of accepting this, that they love you and they have lots of attraction for you. They are just showing you the rude side, the unemotional side, the off and cold and detached side. This person is just showing you that. I don't know why. Because they are fearing something worse will happen and this relationship might not work out, and might be this person is no longer interested in me. There are certain kind of fears going on in their energy right now, in the inner self right now, and they are highly attracted towards you. Might be some of them are showing that they are having another partner in their life and they're really happy, but they're not. But they're not. This person is just cutting off because right now they are not ready for this type of feelings. They are hiding their feelings from themselves because they are feeling like they are not ready for love. But they do have lots of love for you and they feel like you are their soulmate. Okay? Where is soulmate energies here? Let's see what this person wants from you. Let's see. Nine of Wands. They want you to wait. They want you to wait because they know that you are hurt. Okay. They know that you are hurt. They know you are not the one who is easily going to give up on something. So they just want you to wait. This is what they want from you. Okay. Let me clarify the Nine of Wands as what they want from you. Let's see. Ten of Pentacles and the Four of Swords and the Wheel of Fortune. Okay, but what do they want from you? They want you to be emotionally stable, mentally stable, and financially stable. Take a step back, analyze everything, and analyze each and everything properly in your life, and just go with the flow. Just go with the flow and just wait. This is what they want from you. They want you to go with the flow, meditate and work on yourself, your money, your job, everything that is related to you, and just wait for the right time. Just go with the flow. This is what they want from you. This is the Nine of Wands clarified by the Ten of Pentacles, Four of Swords and the Wheel of Fortune. This person definitely wants you to grow in every way in your life, and then contemplate, analyze what is happening, and then just leave everything on the universe. Just go with the flow and just wait for the right time for things to unfold. This is what they want from you. Okay, cool. Let's see what is happening till 10th of November with you guys. Sun, happiness, Leo energy, and that made me smile like an E. Okay, Sun energy is there. Happiness is coming towards you. Some kind of happy news, some kind of childlike energy, some kind of innocence. Beautiful energy, and for some of you it could be spiritual awakening happening. Might be you're working on your spirituality from a very long time. Now you are going to experience bliss by 10th of November. Let's clarify the Sun card. Five of Wands, the Judgment card, and the Two of Wands. You guys were fighting a lot. There will be forgiveness. They are going to forgive you. You are going to forgive them, and you will just wait for the right time. You both will decide just to wait for the right time, but there will be forgiveness, and there will be forgiveness from their side also. So the forgiving game is on. There will be judgment. There will be reconciliation. But again, might be you were waiting for this thing to happen from a very long time. That will happen, but again, you guys are going to decide that we will see in the future what will be the future of this connection, but let's enjoy the present moment. So there's reconciliation, there's happiness, there's beautiful energy of uniting two souls. There will be fights, but after this fight there will be forgiveness, and that after this forgiveness, when you guys are going to calm down, you guys are going to decide just wait for the right time and for things to happen. might be a specific timeline. You guys are going to decide like this. Something very beautiful. Very beautiful. Bliss. Happiness. So thank you so much, Aquarius, for connecting. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste. Namaste. Namaste.